closet.
My wife says I don't measure nothing. So I'm going to take exact measurements today. I have tablespoons and 1/3 cup. Yes, thank you, Sable. And today, I'm going to make something with gochujang sauce. I've been dying to try this. I want to make some Korean ribs. These are actually flanken style ribs, which are short ribs. Short ribs cut very thin. Very easy to do, Korean short ribs. First thing I have to do is have to marinate it. So I'm going to do a very simple marinade, which consists of the gochujang sauce, sesame seed oil, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Well, there's brown sugar in here. These few items in this plastic bag and these short ribs for about an hour, and then we're gonna cook them up real fast on a high heat. Stick around, I'll show you how. Alexa, turn on the kitchen, 100%. Alexa, turn on the island, 100%. 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. About 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of garlic. A 1/4 cup of the gochujang sauce, which I already measured out. I should be using a spatula, but my finger works just as good. And 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Drop in your short ribs. Get out as much air as you can. Seal it up first. Very important step before the next step, which is shake it up, mix it up. And that's it. Told you it was easy. Put this in the refrigerator for an hour, 2 hours, but however much amount of time you have. You can do it overnight if you like. The longer, the better, but I'm gonna marinate mine for about an hour, and then I'm gonna stick them out there on the griddle. Very easy, all right? So we'll see you in a couple hours. Is this leaking? It's got a hole in the bag?
We need to poke a hole in the bag. You were kind of rough with it.
All right, I'll put it in another bag. Gentle. All right. So it's been a couple hours, and I actually took these out about 30 minutes ago to become room temperature. So next thing I need to do is get them on the barbecue. The barbecue has been preheating, so it's up to about 500 degrees. I don't think I'm gonna leave it at 500 degrees, but I'm gonna cook these fast, about 3 minutes each side. They're very small, they'll cook very fast. They'll probably develop a really nice caramelization from all this marinade. Can I just show you what this looks like over here? Look at these beautifully marinated, red, glazed. Those look delicious already, and they're not even cooked. Let's bring these outside and get them cooked. Ooh. It's bright and sunny out here. All right, about 3 minutes per side. Oof, that sun is killing me. A little bit better. All right, so I'm gonna cook them about 3 minutes each side. What's up, doggy? All right, 3 minutes. Look at that caramelization. That's exactly what I was expecting. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so they're cooking fast. They got great caramelization, and I just flipped them over. They shouldn't take that much longer to cook. I don't want to overcook them, so I'm going to keep an eye on them very closely because these things are going to cook super fast. This light, the sun is so bright. I'm so sorry. It's too bright out here, and I got smoke in my eyes. All right, so there's our beautiful Gochujang Korean Short Ribs. All right, so I apologize for the lighting outside. The sun was way too bright. I had a lot of smoke in my eyes, so I don't know how good of a shot you got, but look at this beautiful short ribs, Korean short ribs. Now I'm gonna plate it up over a little bit of rice, a little bit of sesame seeds, and it's gonna look and taste great. I have these tuxedo black and white sesame seeds. That's all I've got. I wouldn't ordinarily use black and white on this, but I'm gonna use them and I think they're gonna come out good anyway. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this goji sauce just across the top like this, because why not? This is my version of Gochujang Korean Short Ribs. I might have mentioned it earlier, I forget. I've never made this before, so this is actually my first time making this. I would have liked to have some green onion on here, but I didn't have any. I thought I did. This was a spur of the moment dish. I had the sauce and I had the short ribs, so I wanted to make it, and I don't know, it looks pretty damn good. Now we just gotta find out if it tastes good. I'm not sure how you eat this though. It may not be the right way to make it, but it's really good. Well, this came out pretty good for my first time. I like it. You should try it. You'll like it too. I'm Buck. This is my kitchen, and this is Gochujang Korean Short Ribs. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.